Hi there, my name is Harshal Patel and I am the student of Extended Master in Business Administration at the University of the Western. In today's presentation, I'm going to talk about my extended module of the Advanced Study Skill which I learned. So first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Arina for teaching and guiding in each and every activity of the module from the beginning to the end. So here the Advanced Study Skill is all about make us how to become an effective student with the proper time management, develop new skills for the extended master course. So in this module, I learn about how to prepare and express effective presentation, data collection and its method. Also, I learn about research methods, that is qualitative methods, quantitative methods and the mixed methods, which are very useful products for the collecting the data. Moreover, in this module, I also learn about the time management, develop academic skill, increase communication skill, and learn how to work in as a team. So these skills are very useful for our master program. So well, that's all over. That's I have for today. Thank you.